Genstander. Genstander.
What? Say it again. You said it.
Good ride. You need that chest strap.
Oh, really?
All right, we're good. Stapled.
All right.
All right. Everything's secured.
You're right. I'm making you see what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Make sure I'm good and secure.
Yeah, everything's strapped down.
Yeah, strapped down.
Zipper pocket zipped.
He said this is the strongest every time he's fell on an invert.
Oh, really?
That's what he said.
Oh, this should be interesting.
Yeah.
I rather like than breathe. Breathing, don't need to do it.
I need to do it for a minute or two.
No. I need to breathe.
Okay, we're good.
Whoa! Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh! God. Woo! Holy crap! Woo! Wow!
Wow, that deer died.
Wow! Oh! Oh man!
Wow. That's a pretty amazing air time.
Yeah, I know that, right?
Yeah, it was ejector air on an invert.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Very good, very good.
Dang. I never knew. Wow. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh! God. Woo! Oh! 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 Holy crap! Woo!
Wow. Wow, that deer died. Wow.
Oh! Oh, man.
Wow. That's a pretty amazing air time.
Yeah, I know that, right?
Yeah, it was ejector air on an invert.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Very good, very good.
Dang. I never knew. Wow.
That is.
Oh,
And Gerstlauer, huh? That felt like an intimate.
yeah, right. It had some grit to it.